Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you today how you can link your Facebook page to your Instagram account. So let us jump straight in. So there's two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. The first thing is going into Instagram. You're going to go to the bottom right hand side. You're going to click on your profile picture and you're going to navigate up to the top right. On the three lines, you are now going to look for settings and privacy. Now, the one thing that you do need to know is your Instagram account needs to be a professional account, and your profile on your Facebook account needs to be a page. So what we're going to do here is underneath for professionals, you will see one of two options. First, it'll say switch to professional account if you have a personal account. Now, it costs nothing, and there are no benchmark or requirements. If you have a professional account already, you're going to see business tools and controls. You're going to tap on that. Here you can manage everything about your professional Instagram account. You're going to go ahead and look for connect or create. Now, once you tap on that, you'll see over here it says connect or create a Facebook page. We're going to tap on continue, and here we can go in and say connect to Facebook. Now, once you in here, you're going to tap on log into Facebook. It'll log into Facebook, and you'll be able to choose the page that you would like to link to. Alternatively, you can go into Facebook and make sure that you are in the page profile and not in your personal account. So I have a few accounts over here. You can see I've got a name and then I've got a page. So this is a page that I would like to link. We're going to go ahead and tap on the gear icon, which will give us our settings, and right over here you can see at the top it says page settings, and then it says linked accounts. So here we can tap on linked accounts and we can link your account right from here. We're going to tap on Instagram. The same process. You're going to have to connect the account, log in, and once you've logged in, you'll be able to connect your Instagram with your Facebook. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you in another video. Cheers.